Hi, my name is Jolly and I teach English. I help school going children and college students sharpen their English skills, which means developing the basics, fundamentals, making them stronger, and giving them lots of practice in both writing and speaking the English language. So, how do I do it? I have some 4 5 basic principles. First is I expose children to a lot of new words through two syllable words, three syllable words, four syllable words. These are new words. One is they learn how to pronounce them correctly. So when they're speaking, they speak well. The pronunciation is correct. I also teach them the synonyms and antonyms of these words, which means they truly understand the real meaning of these words and where to use it. I make them make sentences, do sentences with them so that they know how to apply these words where they have, which they have learnt to use now. So, what they'll do is with words is, I think, words are the basic building blocks of English language. The right pronunciation, the right usage, and the right ideation around words is what is the key to a successful English learning. Beyond this, what I also do is make them write a whole lot of things. Uh, Write on contemporary subject, write essays, write things which they are taught in school, and write about their feelings, write about things which worry them, write about things about the environment, how to make them into a socially responsible person, develop their thinking process in terms of taking care of the society as large as they grow up. They need to contribute to the society, and for that, they need to keep on writing things which are important and relevant as of today. So, how I teach them? I teach them how to introduce a topic, how to conclude a topic, and what are the points they should write in the body of the topic. Whether it's an essay, a long essay, or a paragraph, a notice, anything be in communication, a written communication, I handle them completely in terms of teaching them the nuts and bolts and what should be the contents of such. If they're writing a story, a small story, I teach them about characterization, about the flow, and how various aspects of the story needs to link up to the final climax. Besides the writing composition, I also tell them how to summarize, that is, make précis of large books that they have read or anything that the course demands them, converting, say, 100 pages into 10 pages or 100 pages into 2 pages, depending on the need of the hour. I teach students how to make things concise and how to explain things in a brief manner. And this is where the vocabulary comes into the picture, where they can use the right vocabulary to explain so many things. A single word properly used would do away with the necessity of writing multiple lines about it. So that's how I teach English. And of course, I ensure that month on month the kid improves. You can see for yourself how the child is improving. And of course, I take your inputs in my hand in terms of what is necessary for the child, because you, as parents, you would be knowing your child far better than what I would be knowing. So, for the initial 2 months, yes, I would like to have your inputs in terms of how to guide the child, the content I'll give, of course, and we will train the child in terms of stories, whatever is part of the literature of the course. I handle everything. I tell them, teach them the explanation of the stories, whether it is poem or prose, and make them ensure that they write all the details about the story or the poem in the correct manner, in the correct format, so that they are able to score very high. That's it, I guess. The rest you will come to see me in a trial class, a free trial class which is available for everybody. Please get in touch with me over 918810589557. I'll be happy to answer all your questions. Thank you for your valuable time. See you soon. Bye and take care. Stay safe.